Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we'll see how to learn SQL Server using ChatGPT. We'll start with very basic query, how ChatGPT is helping us in creating tables. So in simple way, the syntax of creating the table in SQL Server is create table, table name, and then we are specifying the column and then data type and constant. Let's see how ChatGPT is quickly helping us in creating the table. Let's go on the browser. Any browser you can use it and then write the ChatGPT. And I already have the account here. It is showing my account, and then if you are creating a new account, then you can see like this kind of UI where you can see the login and sign up, where you can click on the sign up and then you can uh, fill the details, and then you will be able to do the account in the ChatGPT. So now without creating the account in the ChatGPT, you can write the query and then you can start with that, but it will not create that history. Let's see, I will show you the difference here. Let's write this. Please write table, create table in SQL Server. SQL Server. Let's write syntax. This what we need to write there, and it will give you the example as well as the query. So here it will talk about the syntax, basic syntax, what exactly the table, what is the column name and the data type and the constraint, whether it is primary, unique, or any other kind of constraint we need to define. So if we are not defining anything, so it is fine. So here, from here you can just copy it and then paste in the SQL Server. So I already created this employee DB, and here we are going to create the employee. This is the employee table name, and then the column name, you can see that, and these are the data types, and then here we are using the constraint. So employee ID we are making primary key. Let's directly, just without discussing about that, just execute it and then see the command successful. And then if you want to see that the command the table, definitely you just copy that and then write select start from table and then select it, execute it. You can see that here employee ID, first name, last name, birth date, and hire date and salary all are here. So this is how the ChatGPT is helping us in creating the table. And let's see the difference we written there. This one, just copy it and paste it in the where you already have the account. Just click, and then you will see that today you are talking about this. So if you go without signing, so you will not see any history, but if you create the account, sign up with that, then definitely you will be able to see what all history or what all days you did a certain task. So that's it. This video is only talking about how to create the table. In upcoming tutorial, we'll talk more about the SQL Server, that how ChatGPT is helping us in day-to-day means while writing the queries. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.